License plate cloning, the ongoing problem on YouTube that has gotten even worse due to YouTube's own AI, Google AI, whatever you want to call it, for video searching. Let's talk about what's going on. This has been happening off and on for consistently about 8 years now. I've had it happen twice. So let's explain what it is that they're doing and how they're doing it now with AI. So with AI, I can actually search YouTube's video stuff in order to see if I can find a certain item. So let's say that I'm a drug dealer in New York and I need to transport a bunch of drugs to Maine. Let's say that I have a black E250 van and I throw it into YouTube and I search around for Maine also. All of a sudden, you'd end up with my videos showing up. And if you were to happen to look in the background, you would see my E250 that is black in the background, along with the license plate that's on it right now. At that point, all it takes is a 3D printer and 5 minutes on a couple of different design programs, and you can actually 3D print and spray paint up and hand paint your own license plate. You can 3D print out with a 2-filament 3D printer, all of the black and the white and everything. You can go through and you can 3D print punch outs and you can make an actual aluminum plate and then proceed to paint it up in order to be able to put on your vehicle. Now, what's the point of this? The point of this is what they're targeting is they're targeting repair YouTube channels, they're targeting wrecker YouTube channels, they're targeting recovery channels and things like that. Because what they want is they want a vehicle that is legally registered that matches theirs, but that they know is going to be down for a certain period of time. Because that period of time it's going to be down is a window of opportunity of which they can use your cloned license plate to run drugs or whatever else it is that they're running illegally. And that way, when they're going down the Maine Turnpike or the Massachusetts Interstate or whatever, and they get nailed on a camera, guess who gets the bill for them running their drugs and speeding? They send it to me. Or in the case of Jessie, they send it to Jessie for her large pickup truck that was in the background of my videos about 6 years ago that got cloned. And so what they're doing is they are using the AI to search Google's own YouTube videos in order to be able to pull that number to use a 3D printer to either print out a plastic plate and paint it or to print out the punches to be able to actually press a plate and stick it onto the vehicle. Yeah, gotta love it. Technology. Anyways, so here's my point. That's the reason why on all of these recovery channels, you're starting to see people blurring out license plates. That's part of the reason why you're starting to see that they're making templates that they can stick on that say their channel name or something. That's why if you watch a bunch of repair channels and things like that, you'll notice that the license plate is actually missing off of the vehicle that they're repairing. You know, they talk about, customer and this and stuff like that. The reason the plate is missing is so that during the downtime or the known potential downtime of that vehicle, that they're not ending up with the plate being cloned. Now, what do you do if you're a YouTuber and your plate does end up getting cloned? Well, in my case, I called until I could get a hold of somebody and said, look, I will send you a picture to verify that my van is not the normal van, that they must have seen the front of the van only and not realized it was a conversion. And so I had to send them a photo of my license being held up, taking a picture with my van in the background. And I had to do the same thing in order to be able to verify that Jesse's truck was torn apart in the background of a video and that it was nowhere near capable of going on the road. We actually had to verify with them that the gas tank wasn't even hooked up with anything to be able to run the truck in the first place. So if you end up in the situation of your plate gets cloned, you need to verify somehow with a real person, usually photographically, that your vehicle wasn't there, or you have to have a way to prove that your vehicle wasn't there, because they're going to clone something that's within reason that it could have driven to the location that they're using it for running. So, for example, if I'm a drug runner in New York, I am not going to clone a license plate from Texas. I'm going to clone a license plate from 2 or 3 states around me so that it's within reason that I drove that distance in order to get away with it. Anyways, that's my ranting video of, I'm just trying to make a living and some stupid person has got to ruin just trying to make a living. AI is causing so many issues in life and everywhere. It's amazing to me how much AI has destroyed things. This is my second ranting AI video in literally less than 2 weeks, and I apologize for the fact that that's what the content of this channel has been. But when you're dealing with stressful situations and things like this, it's really hard to focus on going out and working on a mini bike or working on rebuilding an apartment or working on your house or working on installing diesel heaters or whatever else I could be working on in videos when you're dealing with the overhead stress of some jerkwad in New York decided to go and steal your license plate number to run fentanyl or some stupid thing like that. Anyways, so about 10 phone calls later and 3 different emails of pictures and everything else, I'm cleared of the charge and I'm fine now. And now they're apparently looking for a van with my license plate on it down in that area, which they don't even look very hard, near as I can tell. They basically keep the license plate number on file for about 2 weeks, from what I've gathered from talking with people. And then after that, they just delete it and they don't care anymore. So there's nothing to keep them from deciding to rerun the plate and do it again in a month or so. So hopefully they see this video and know that they got caught and they decide to bugger off, that they can't use my van anymore, but it is what it is. So anyways, that's been my last couple of days dealing with the stress of this situation, and now I'm done with it, and now we're going to go back to working on videos that have to do with something other than AI. Everybody, have fun, enjoy your day, and I hope this video helps somebody in the future.